What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to be addressing a problem I experienced in the last video where we threw on our new brake rotors and pads. A while back I had removed the wheel studs that I had on this car to go back to the lug studs due to the aftermarket wheels not really fitting well with the spacers that I had on the OEM wheels, and it was a whole thing. I didn't like the quality of the studs very much, so I got rid of them, and now I need to go back. So I reached out to 034 Motorsport, who were more than happy to get me out a set of their extended wheel lug studs for the Mk7 GTI and Audi applications. And in this video, we are going to feature that product, get them installed, test them out, see how much easier it is to install our wheels and tires on the GTI. So with that being said, huge shout out to 034. I appreciate you guys working with the channel, participating in the build. It means a lot to me. And I hope you guys at home check out 034 Motorsport. Links down below in the description for you to check out all their products, whether you have an Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche, basically anything European, they've got all the products for you. So we're gonna do one corner at a time, do an overview of the install on each wheel, and basically take it easy. It shouldn't be too hard, just jacking the car up, taking wheels off. It's gonna be harder to take the wheel off than put it back on because we're gonna have some awesome wheel studs.
First things first, we need to jack up the car. And like I said, we're just gonna be working on each corner of the car, taking one wheel off at a time. I know you should probably use jack stands, but I was just looking to get this done quickly. Each OEM lug bolt is removed with a 17mm socket. .034 Motorsport offers several different options as far as what kind of studs you would like to get, lengths, and what kind of nuts you would like to get as well to fit your wheels. The bullet nose design allows the wheels and nuts to self-align, making installation faster and easier. The bullet nose stud and nut bundles are available for all vehicles using the M14 by 1.5 thread pitch, perfect for virtually all Volkswagens and Audis. And it's true, the installation is super easy. All you need is a little bit of Loctite on each end of the studs, and then all you need to do is just thread them into the hubs themselves. And to tighten everything down, 034 recommends stacking two lug nuts on top of each other and then tightening them together, and then using the outer lug nut to tighten down the stud into the hub.
Now all of our 5 studs are on, they're tightened down, they're Loctited. So that means we can just throw our wheel on, and way less of a hassle to do it with the wheel studs. Look at that, so easy. I love that. All right, everything is on there. Nice and tight. And I got the extended studs. These ones are, I believe, the 60mm. So if we ever need to add in a new wheel to include a spacer or anything like that, it'll all work out. So they do stick out slightly more than, you know, a regular stud would, but it doesn't really take too much away from the overall look. I think it looks great. And we open ourselves up to more wheel options. So you can choose from 3 different sizes and 2 different style nuts with the 034 Motorsport kit. So go check them out. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and basically finish up this video from the car, which we've been kind of doing a lot lately, I did get a power bleeder and I bled the brakes while I was down there putting on the new studs, and it's so good. It's way better. I should have bought a power bleeder a long time ago. Now I'm gonna do my Miata because brakes have always felt a little spongy there. Power bleeders are awesome, so big props. And so with this install, it was pretty easy. It's not too time consuming. You don't have to do any back-breaking work. It just, you know, it's a little slow getting each one of the studs tightened down, but otherwise they work perfectly. They fit great. You know, sometimes with like coatings on hardware, it'll be hard to like first like kind of screw everything down. Didn't have that with this kit. And I said 60 mil earlier. I got the 65 millimeter length for mine, at least my application. And I just honestly, I forgot how easy wheel swaps are when you have the studs on there. You don't have to mess with the lug bolts or anything like that. And I know you can buy the little hanger to thread in and then hang your wheel on it and everything, but it's just so much easier to have studs. And so with that, I just want to give a huge shout out again to 034 Motorsport for working with me and getting these out to me and sponsoring this video. We're definitely going to do some more stuff in the future. So more mods for this car. I really wanted to do some stuff to the Golf, and I felt like 034 was a solid brand. I've ordered a couple things from them before and loved all their stuff. And everyone who picks up their tunes, their hardware, anything, everyone likes it. So really excited to be working with 034 Motorsport, and thank you again guys for checking out their products. If you go down below in the description and click on that link. But with that, I'm gonna go ahead and close the video out here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new to the channel, go down below, hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below. I'll see you in the next one.